Kuri na mwihoko wa gucokerereria uthimi wa muingi kimumu ica ikuhi undu umwe na kwongerereka kwa namba ya andu aria marithimagwo thutha wa bururi wa Kenya kwamukira indo cia guthima iria ingithima andu 50,000 kuma bururi-ini wa Japan.
Been able to maintain a certain level of testing. I mentioned yesterday that we were expecting a consignment for our high throughput automated testing system that was supposed to come in earlier in this month. We have had challenges receiving that, but it's we expect that we should be able to receive that consignment and ramp up our testing as soon as we receive that. And I must say that even today's contribution is a big contribution in that direction, because with 50,000 tests, we should be able to do quite a lot.
Ithimi 4,663 nicio ithimitwo ihinda-ini ria mathaa 24 kuri andu 373 monikanite na murimu wa COVID-19. Namba ya arwaru ikirugamira andu 33,389.
Nairobi, as is usual, leads with 117, Busia with 66, Nakuru with 37, Kisii with 32, Homa Bay with 15, Kiambu 12.
Hari andu 373 aria monekanite na murimu uyu, 273 ni arume, guku 101 mari atumia, andu 72 makihona murimu wa COVID-19, guku 3 wao magikua.
We have lost 3 patients to the disease, bringing our fatality cases to 567. We want to both thank the healthcare workers in the front line who are working tirelessly in this response in saving lives, and we also want to send our sincere condolences to the families and friends of those who have lost their loved ones to this disease.
Akiruta ndumiriri ya muthenya ari ruhonge-ini rwa Kemri, mutafariri wa mihang'o Minisrty ni Ugima wa Mwiri Rashidaman augite ruhonge ruru ni ruthimite makiria ma gicunji kia 50 hari 100 githimi cia murimu wa COVID-19 guku bururi-ini.
Kemri is also involved in the development of COVID-19 diagnostic products and clinical trials that are testing the safety and efficacy of potential therapeutic drugs and vaccine candidates for COVID-19. In addition, Kemri scientists have developed about 25 research protocols addressing pertinent COVID-19 related research.
Oho bururi-ini wa mukirite tunyaga 10 kuma bururi-ini wa Japan, thirikari igicokeria ngatho bururi wa Japan ni uria unyitirire bururi wa Kenya mahinda-ini maya ma king'uki. Girifotera Kameme TV, ritora kwa ni Wanjiru wa Foro.